Welcome to JSS1 Mathematics first term week 1 and part 6 of the video where we're discussing whole numbers, and in this video you are going to learn how to write words in billions in numbers with example and exercise. This video is brought to you by Happy Class Online School. I'm Imran Yakub. Let's get started. In this video you're going to learn how to use the place value chart to write words in billions in numbers, and how to work with billions, 10 billions and 100 billions and much more. Welcome to section number 1. We are going to write how to write 7,5,060,295 in numbers. So to do that, let's jump right to the board here. If you want to practice it, you can pause the video right now and make sure you do it. So the first thing we are going to do is to draw the place value chart here for billions. Okay, then the next thing is to split this into 3 parts. The first part we have is 7 billion, which is 7 billion right now here. You can see how 7 billion is being right in there, 7 with 9 zeros. And to place it in the place value chart, this is how you do it. And it followed by 5 million, which is, you can see right there, and to place in the place value chart is just like that, and followed by the 260,000, which is 60 with 3 zeros, and you can see the way it's place value chart like so. And the last one is the 295, which you can see, and that is how to place it in the place value chart. Together, if you list it down and you write it under the table place value chart here, this is what you are going to get. And to write 7,5,060,295 in words, that would be 7005 with a comma, 060 and 295. Welcome to section number 2. Here you write 85,553,060,085 in numbers. Let's jump. You can pause the video and do the exercise. Now to write this down, you draw the place value chart like so, as you are seeing it right in your screen right there. So we are to cut this or divide or split it into 3 parts. The first part is the billion, which is 85 billion, and you can see it how it's been written like so. So 85 followed by 9 zeros, and place it in the place value chart like so. You see the 8 stand under the 10 billion and 5 under the billion, and the rest zeros been written there like so. And the next part is the 553 million, which is 553 with 6 zeros, and you place it in the place value chart like so, followed by 60,000, and that is how you write it, and that is placed in the place value chart like so. And followed, the last one is 85, which is just 8 and 5, and that is how to place it in the place value chart. And together you list it downward like this, which is 85, 553, 060 and 085. Now let me show you what it is in the next slide. So you have to write it. You write 85,553,060,085 in numbers. That is 85,553,060,085. Come to section number 3. Here you write 923,623,488,321 in word. You can pause the video and make sure, and you can try it yourself and check whether you get the correct answer or not. Now to write it down, the first thing you need to do is to draw the place value chart for billions, as you are seeing it right there, and we split this into 3 parts. So the first part is 923 billion, which is 923 with 9 zeros, and that's how to place in the place value chart. Followed by 651 million, and you can see it there, 651 with followed by 6 zeros, and you place the place value chart like so. The next part is 488,488 followed by 3 zeros, and place in place value chart like so. And the last part is 321, which is 321, and you place in place value chart like so. Now if you write it there and you list it down where under the place value chart, you see this number. Kind of weird, so let's jump to the right board and see it clearly. So to write 923,651,488,321 in numbers, that would be 923,651,488 and 321. Come to section number 4, I think the last section of the video, where you write 923,814,021 in number. Make sure you pause the video and try it out yourself. If you not get it, I will do the correct answer for you. So let's move right on. So to write it in words, you first draw the place value chart for billions, I think without the decimal point. Then you split it into 3. The first part is 928 billion, which is 928 followed by 9 zeros, and you place it in place value chart like so, followed by 23 million, which is 23 followed by 6 zeros, and you place it in the place value chart like so. And the next part is the 814,814 with followed by 3 zeros, and you put in the place value chart like so. And the last part, which is 32, which is just 32, and you put in place value chart like so. Put everything together and you list it under the place value chart like so. And the next slide I will show you the complete words. Let's move right there. You are asked to write 928 billion to 23,814,032 in numbers, which will build 928,023,814,032. And that brings us to the last part of the video, the end, which is the JSS1 Mathematics first time week 1 part 6 of the video, where you learn how to write words in billions in numbers. Now here is a quick recap of everything you learned so far in this video. And the first thing is that you learn how to use the place value chart in billions. You write and read numbers, words in billions in numbers, words in 10 billions in numbers, and words in 100 billions in numbers. And don't forget, I just want to advise you not to forget that you have to split it into 3 parts, and don't forget the use of comma. And that's the end of the video. This video is brought to you by Happy Class Online School. I'm Imran Yakub, the instructor for this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe if you love this video, and give it let's miss in the comment section below. Goodbye.